Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. As you can probably tell by the intro, I'm doing something very exciting today. I'm finally flying on a helicopter for the first time. It's always been sort of a bucket list thing for me. I'm currently in Surrey. I'm not entirely sure what route the helicopter's going to take. So I'm fingers crossed it goes over London, because I think it would be so cool to see London from the sky. But yeah, as always, I'm taking you guys with me, and yeah, let's see how it goes. Just finished a pre-flight briefing, sort of went through all the safety measures on what to do in the emergency. Hopefully nothing like that happens. Unfortunately, my flight's been delayed a bit, so just gonna have to wait around. Hopefully the wait's worth it. This is the helicopter that I'm going to be on later today. Just got off the helicopter. I was a bit disorientated for a bit. It felt really weird, like coming back off it. Like it took me a while to get back to my senses, but oh my god, it was such an amazing experience. The helicopter was like vibrating so much, but when we were moving, it was just so still. And yeah, it's definitely something I want to do again. Hopefully, whenever I go to America next, I really want to get a helicopter over the Grand Canyon. So yeah, that's something on my bucket list. So yeah, that was that. Apologies that it's a bit of a short video. I couldn't really vlog much on the helicopter for obvious reasons, because it was so loud. So you would have never heard my voice. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the views. It was such an amazing experience, and definitely something I want to do again. And hopefully you guys got a glimpse of what it's like to be in a helicopter. So if you haven't done it before and you get the opportunity to do so, make sure you guys do it. It's definitely something worth doing. And yeah, sorry I've been a bit quiet recently on this channel. I'll be back with better videos in the future. But until then, stay safe. I'll see you guys soon.